So, dear students, let's now look at the solutions to the transformation of sentences which I had asked you to complete. The first sentence: This summer has been the warmest in the last 10 years. Rewrite using warm. No other summer in the last 10 years has been as warm as this. So this is your first answer. Then number 2, the taxi driver said he opened the door and jumped out before I could say a word. So begin, the taxi driver said that. So this has to be written in indirect speech. And when within inverted commas the verbs are already in past tense, then you have to convert them into past perfect tense. So what will we do? The taxi driver said that he had opened the door and had jumped out before he could say a word. So that's your answer. Then number 3, Robinson gave his companion Friday a gift every Friday. Now this is based on Robinson Crusoe's expedition to an unknown island. So Robinson gave his companion Friday a gift every Friday. Begin, Robinson's companion Friday. So this has to change from active voice to passive voice. So Robinson's companion Friday received a gift every Friday from Robinson. Robinson's companion Friday received a gift every Friday from Robinson. Then number 4, as soon as the game was over, the chess pieces were put in the box. Begin, hardly. Hardly was the game over when the chess pieces were put in the box. Remember, when you begin a sentence with hardly, you are supposed to use when. Just as when you begin a sentence with no sooner, you are supposed to use than. So, hardly was the game over when the chess pieces were put in the box. Then number 5, the hike was so hard that Joan had to turn back just an hour into it. Rewrite using to in place of so. So, let's look at the sentence. The hike was too hard for Joan, who had to turn back just an hour into it. The hike was too hard for Joan, who had to turn back just an hour into it. Number 6, unless the rain stops, the game will not resume. Begin, if. If the rain does not stop, the game will not resume. This was easy. Then number 7, Jonas would rather stay at home than go out and play in the rain. We are not talking about Nick Jonas, but Jonas definitely. So let's see. Begin, Jonas prefers. Jonas would rather stay at home. Jonas prefers to stay at home than go out and play in the rain. Jonas prefers to stay at home than go out and play in the rain. Number 8, despite the best efforts by the police, the money could not be retrieved. Begin, in spite. So despite and in spite. When you use despite, you cannot use of. When you use in spite, you can use of. So we will use of. Despite the best efforts by the police, the money could not be retrieved. In spite of the best efforts by the police, the money could not be retrieved. Number 9, the new machine did a good job of compressing the garments. Rewrite using compress. So here you can do it this way. You can do it in 2 different ways. This is one of the 2 ways. The new machine used to compress the garments. The new machine used to compress the garments did a good job. The new machine used to compress the garments did a good job. So I feel this is the best way of doing it. There could be some other alternative way of doing it also. We'll have to think about that. So anyway, you can do it this way. Then number 10, a lot of people are capable of leading a team. Rewrite using capability. A lot of people have the capability of leading a team. Then number 11, as soon as the gates opened, the shoppers rushed in. No sooner did the gates open, not opened, but open. No sooner did the gates open than the shoppers rushed in. Number 12, the clock struck 12 and the children ran out. End with children. So, in this, the clock struck 12 with the running out of the children. The clock struck 12 with the running out of the children. So the clock struck 12 and the children ran out. The clock struck 12 with the running out of the children. Then 13, Thomas drove into the wall with his car. The wall was driven into by Thomas with his car. The wall was driven into by Thomas with his car. Then 15, if you do not eat fish, you will not become intelligent. Only if you eat fish will you become intelligent. Then 15, James was barely able to stand straight. End with straight and a question mark. So if it is a question mark, it has to turn into a question. Was James barely able to stand straight? Was James barely able to stand straight? Then 16, opening the door, he asked for my permission to come in. He opened the door and asked for my permission to come in. Then 17, he works at night so that he can study at day. In order to study at day, he works at night. Then number 18, as her father died, she became helpless. She became helpless after her father died, or because her father died. Then the next sentence is they tried hard to win the match. It was tried hard by them to win the match. It was tried hard by them to win the match. Then number 19, number 20, he went to the shop but he didn't buy anything. Despite going to the shop, he didn't buy anything. Despite going to the shop, he didn't buy anything. And the last one, number 21, we avoided that restaurant because of its bad reputation. Its bad reputation made us avoid that restaurant. Its bad reputation made us avoid that restaurant. So these are the answers to the transformations. Apart from the answers which I have given you just now, if you have any alternative answer, then please feel free to discuss it with me in the Google Meet session or by texting me in WhatsApp. So that's it. We stop here. Thank you very much.